Srinivasan Keswamy, Chairman and Managing Director R. Keswamy, has been active in various industry bodies working towards the growth and development of the advertising industry. And adding a feather to his cap was his recent appointment as the Chairman of the Board of the Advertising Standards Council of India. And we have him joining us on the show straight from Mumbai to tell us his plan of action as the Chairman of ASCI and a little bit about the challenges in his new role. Welcome, Mr. Swamy. Firstly, a big congratulations on your new role. Would you like to start by telling us about your relationship with ASCI as someone who's been a torchbearer for the industry for so long?
Well, I've been on the board of ASCI for the last 10 years. So it's a long association that I've had. Of course, my father was involved in ASCI formation when it happened 30 years ago. Of course, he was not in the board as founding members, but he was CCC at that time. So our association as a company has been founding members of ASCI. So it's a long time.
So what's your agenda going to be as the newly elected chairman of ASCI?
Well, certainly I think ASCI last 30 years has come a long way. I don't think I need to start doing something very different from what they have done in the past, because it's now on a very strong wicket, on a set path. And therefore I think it's all I need to do is to see the gaps that are there, if any, and try and fill them. I have identified one important gap, if I may call it that, which is that till now I think ASCI has been focusing on getting people to complain about misleading advertisements. I believe that there is kind of a black hole in that outsiders do not generally understand how the complained ad is adjudicated. And therefore I think I want to bring that to some light by talking about it wherever I get an opportunity, maybe start a social media campaign, maybe advertising campaign, whatever that's required, to let people know there is something called Consumer Complaints Council, which actually is comprised of majority of civil society members, and these members comprise consumer activists, educationalists, lawyers, doctors, and such people. And these people actually look at whether the ad is offending, misleading, truthful, offensive, whatever. So this group of people actually are critical people who actually decide on defaulting ads, and I think that is not known generally. So we want to get people to start realizing that it's not the board of governors who decide whether ad is misleading or offending, but it's primarily the civil society members who decide. That's, I think, is one thing that we want to do. The second thing is, I think Consumer Protection Act is undergoing some changes. It's going to be amended. I think ASCI should have a role, in my view, in terms of what it can do in terms of the legal aspect. If the government of the day decides that ASCI should have a role, I think we will have a larger role to play with respect to misleading advertisements.
Recently, Baba Ramdev launched a scathing attack against ASCI, even questioning the very existence of it, threatening to drag it to the court. What are your comments?
Look, I don't want to comment on specific cases, but I can broadly tell you, without really referring to Baba Ramdev's legal case, that there is absolutely no chance for any competitor to influence any decision, because the CCC members are not people like you, journalists like you, who are not going to be influenced by some board director telling you do this or do that. So I think it's unfair to assume that some outsider will come and influence the decision. But anyway, there is courts in this country who adjudicate such matters, and let them decide whether ASCI is right or Advertiser is right.
Lastly, what's next for ASCI? Any new initiatives coming up?
As I said, I think we have to talk about the importance of CCC in ASCI, and I think that itself, I think, is the need of the hour as I take on this role. We will therefore put emphasis on communicating the importance of CCC and how the decisions get taken. Other than that, I think we have great relationship with the Government of India, various ministries. We are having MOU relationship with Department of Consumer Affairs, that's going well. We have MOU with FSSAI, that's going well. We are on the verge of signing a MOU with Ayush Ministry, that also will go well. We have this, National Advertising Monitoring Service. That means we track all the important categories of advertisements, where we know that bulk of the advertising that actually are focused on consumers are reviewed, and complaints are picked up from there. So I think there is a good mechanism that we have to capture all defaulting advertisements. So we need to have a process, as I said, of CCC members, so a process where the role of CCC members is highlighted to the people at large.
Great, and our best wishes are with you for this new venture. Thank you so much for joining us. It was great having you on Brandstand.